In this tutorial, we'll explore how to model a Roman dome in Blender 3D. We'll go over step-by-step instructions to create the unique shape. Press X and click Delete to remove the default cube. Press Shift A, choose Mesh UV Sphere. This will be the base for the dome. Use the pop-over menu to change the number of segments. Press Tab to switch to Edit mode and use the 3 key to enter Face Select mode. Go into the top view by using numpad 7. Use the C key for circle select and select the very top faces of the UV sphere. Use the delete key to delete the selected faces. In front view, the 1 key, use the Z key to switch to wireframe shading. Left click and drag over the bottom half of the UV sphere and delete the selection. Use the Z key to switch back to solid shading. In object mode, add a subdivision surface modifier with 3 levels. Right-click on the dome and choose Shade Smooth. Add a solidify modifier using even thickness and adjust the thickness. Add a plane using Shift A and rotate it around the X-axis by 90 degrees. In edit mode, use simple inserts with the I key and extrusions with the E key to make a simple decorative pattern. In object mode, use Ctrl A to apply all the transforms. This will help when using the array modifier. Add an array modifier along the Z-axis with a count of 5 or 6. With your cursor hovering over the modifier, use Ctrl A to apply the modifier. Add a second array modifier along the X-axis, increasing the count to around 25. Add a simple deform modifier using bend as the type. Change the axis to Z and the angle to 360. Add the weld modifier to connect the 2 ends of the array modifier. Add a simple deform modifier using bend as the type. Drag it above the first simple deform modifier and change the angle to make it into the shape of a dome. You'll now need to move and scale all of the objects so the decorative structure can be seen properly. Creating a Roman dome in Blender 3D is a fun and rewarding challenge, combining classical architectural principles with the power of modern 3D modeling. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you'll have a better understanding of how to model curved structures for your realistic scene. Whether you're building historical scenes or working on personal projects, this skill will be a valuable addition to your Blender toolkit. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.